Hi, my name is Kiara, and I'm currently a speech pathology student at Brooklyn College, and I'm also the TK teacher at Little Scholars. I think one of the best tools that you can use when it comes to toddlers and 2-year-olds is busy boards and busy books. Usually you'll find like 2 different types of busy boards or busy books. For busy boards, you'll find something that has zippers and locks and buttons or stuff to switch on and off. Sometimes they have hard and soft textures. These really help 2-year-olds with their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. This is a type of busy board where he's gonna be pushing on the buttons and closing them. So it's gonna work on his fine motor skills. Can you show me? Can you close the button, Dillajon? Uh-oh, let's line it up. Can you close the button, Dillajon? Go, close. Oh, strong. There are other types of busy boards or busy books that aid in cognitive development. Usually these books will show things like colors, letters, numbers, ABCs, and they're going to help children associate sound to letter or maybe even word to image. They're really great at engaging toddlers into fun learning activities without them even knowing that they're really learning. For instance, like busy boards can help with developing communication skills. They can help with problem solving. And they can help tune fine motor skills all in a nice, fun, and engaging way. I think it's also something that keeps the toddler's interest for a long time without you really having to step in. It helps them learn things all on their own. Oh, what's this? Is it a bell? Can you go bell? I think all in all that busy boards are a real game changer when it comes to parenting or education or even speech. They really help engage the 2-year-old or the toddler in a fun way without making learning so much of a hassle.